5G, the Global Effects, Part 3. The effect of 2 minutes on a cell phone lasts for 2 hours. The neurological disturbances involved mean it can take up to 6 weeks for brain patterns to return to normal for people using cell phones regularly. 5G is electromagnetic genocide. From eugenics into genocide, Wi-Fi wavelength is the same as human vibrational brain levels. Your cell phone is a weapon of mass destruction. The blood-brain barrier is a highly selective, semi-permeable border of endothelial cells that prevent solutes in the circulating blood from non-selectively crossing into the extracellular fluid of the central nervous system, where neurons reside. The blood-brain barrier is formed by the brain capillary endothelium and excludes from the brain 100% of large molecule neurotherapeutics and more than 98% of all small molecule drugs. In other words, the blood-brain barrier acts effectively to protect the brain from circulating pathogens. Accordingly, blood-borne infections of the brain are rare. Capillary endothelial cells and associated pericytes may be abnormal in tumors, and the blood-brain barrier may not always be intact in brain tumors. Other factors, such as astrocytes, may contribute to the resistance of brain tumors to therapy using nanoparticles. In some cases, a drug has to be administered directly into the cerebral spinal fluid, where it can enter the brain by crossing the blood-cerebral spinal fluid barrier. The blood-brain barrier is formed by endothelial cells of the capillary wall, astrocytes feeding and sheathing the capillary, and pericytes embedded in the capillary basement membrane. To be continued.